Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chisom. On this channel, we learn how to cut and sew. So today we are going to be learning how to cut and sew this beautiful wrap dress. It is a very simple tutorial and it's beginners friendly. If you're interested to learn it, keep on watching. Here are the fabrics I used for this tutorial. The yellow and blue flowery fabric is a very light crepe which I use for the body part, is about 1.5 yards. And then this blue fabric is a medium thick crepe which I use for the sleeve. And then I have matching threads, scissors and other things. So I'll take the fabric aside now. Let's get into the cutting part. So right here I have folded my fabric for the cutting of the upper part, and what I have folded, the length I folded is from my shoulder to my under bust. You can fold from your shoulder to waistline. So here is the back, which is closed, and this open part is going to be the front. I have excess of 7 inches out here for the wrap extension, though I'll still be attaching a band so it will be able to go round. Okay, so I said the length is from my shoulder to my under bust, and from this center back to the end of the fabric I have my bust divide by 4 plus extra sewing allowance. Okay, so make sure you have that when you fold your fabric. It will be enough to accommodate your bust circumference, which is the biggest part of your upper body measurement. So right here I am marking the shoulder to armhole, which I use 8.5 inches, and I'm going to extend the line. So from the center back, which is here, I am going to take my shoulder measurement divide by 2, and that is 7.5. I'll also take the same measurement on the armhole line and I'll rule that up. This is my shoulder line right here. Okay, so on the chest line, the armhole line, I'll take my bust divide by 4 plus sewing allowance. On the under bust line, I'll take my under bust divide by 4 plus sewing allowance, and I'm going to connect that straight. So I'll just slightly curve out the armhole to create my armhole curve with the free hand, as you can see. I hope you can see this. Okay, so I'll take my neck measurement of 3 inches by 3.5 inches, depending on how wide you want. This is actually the back neckline. 3 inches depth, 3 inches width. I don't want it to be so up, so that's why I used this measurement. And on the shoulder, I'll come down by 1 inch and connect to that neck width, as you can see me do now. Okay, please just I hope you're seeing the marking. Please zoom as much as you can so you'll be able to see, just in case you're confused. To get the front wrap, I'll come up by 3 inches and mark, and I'll just leave the mark there. Then I'll go ahead and cut this out. I'll be cutting only the back part out. Okay, so just watch closely what I am doing in case you're confused again. And that's it. Now I will raise the back part up, so we'll trim out the front neckline. So I'm placing the ruler on that 3 inches point I made and on the shoulder, and I'm just going to trim it out like so. Okay, so this is what I have. You can see the front I am laying over the back. I think the neckline is actually so up, so I'm going to like trim it out by 3/4 inch so that it will go down a little bit. So that's it for the cutting of the upper part. Now I'll proceed to joining them together at the shoulder, the side, and also finish up the neckline. So this is the upper part after joining it together. You can see how it's coming out beautifully. I have hemmed the neckline. As you can see, I joined the shoulder and the side with the exact allowance that I added. Or you can even use 1/2 inch. This is actually a wrap dress. You can just wrap it around your body to the exact fitting that you want. Okay, I've gone ahead to cut out the lower part. The width I used to cut this out is ×2 of the waist circumference, so that by the time I gather it, it will give me a little bit of fullness, and depending on the size of fabric I have. So I'll go ahead and gather it to be able to fit this lower part of the top part, which is the waistline, or should I say the under bust. Okay, I'll gather it and I'll be back. This is what the down part look like after gathering it. You can see it looks a little bit full. It would have actually been fuller if I multiplied by 3, but I don't have enough fabric, so I'm going to go ahead and join the upper part to the lower part. I've joined the up and down part now, and this is what the dress looks like. You can see the extent of the wrap. This is the back part. The back part is closed. You know, I said I was going to add a some like a belt. Okay, I'll add this belt to the front part, to the wrap part, so that it will give me enough rope to tie around my waist or around my underbust, wherever. Okay, so I'm going to attach it to this part and stitch, and to the other part as well. Okay, so I left like half inch on this part so that I'll be able to attach this belt to it. Also, you leave an opening on one side where you pass the belt, okay, so that you'll be able to wrap it around your waist. That's it. This is like 1 inch on the side that I left, so that I'll be able to pass the belt from that side. Okay, so I'll go ahead and fix the belts. Now to the final part of the dress, which is the sleeve. I have my sleeve pattern block here that I'll be using to trace out the sleeve. So I've folded my fabric for the cutting of the sleeve. I'll just go ahead and place this pattern on top of the fabric, and I will just cut it out. I left a space at the back of the sleeve because I don't want the sleeve to be tight. Actually, I just want an easy breezy kind of. So this space is just about 2 inches, or 1.5 inches. Is not much, okay, but it still gave me a free sleeve. So after that, I went ahead to attach the sleeve to the dress, and voila, we have our wrap dress ready to be worn. This dress is a very, 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 very comfortable outfit that you can rock to anywhere, anytime, any day. So we have come to the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. I hope you got value for the time. If you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe, and don't forget to like this video so it can be recommended to other people who may need to watch it. Till I come your way next time, thank you for watching. Bye bye.